Eleanor, a vibrant 71-year-old, started every single day with 2 eggs, her non-negotiable breakfast ritual. She thought she was building strength, protecting her eyesight, and fueling her golden years. But what Eleanor never saw was the invisible threat forming inside her refrigerator. A danger linked directly to her morning routine that was silently eroding her health. Not because eggs are dangerous, but because of a series of seemingly innocent habits that turned a superfood into a source of slow decline. For anyone over 55, these aren't just kitchen slip-ups. They're direct paths to weakness, chronic illness, or worse. In this urgent guide, we're counting down the 7 most critical egg errors, from number 7 to the absolute worst offender at number 1. And stay tuned, because mistake number 4 is the silent nutrient thief that accelerates vision loss. And millions of older adults commit it daily without a second thought. Let's crack open mistake number 7. Chasing that Instagram-worthy runny golden yolk. It looks luxurious, it tastes rich, but for a mature immune system, that liquid center is a potential danger zone. The threat is Salmonella enteritidis, a pathogen that can exist inside the egg before the shell is even formed. For a younger person, it might just mean a bad day in the bathroom. But for seniors whose natural defenses and stomach acid have weakened with age, it can trigger sepsis, a life-threatening blood infection. The CDC reports that Salmonella leads to over 20,000 hospitalizations annually in the U.S., with older adults facing the highest risk. Robert, 68, enjoyed soft-boiled eggs every Sunday until violent chills and dehydration landed him in the hospital. All traced back to the undercooked yolk he considered harmless. Heat is the only thing that annihilates Salmonella. The yolk must reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit to be safe. A runny yolk simply doesn't get hot enough. A perfect-looking egg can hide a perfect storm of bacteria. The fix isn't to quit eggs. It's to cook them until the yolk is completely set. That brings us to mistake number 6, parking your egg carton right next to pungent foods like onions or last night's fish. It seems harmless, but the science is alarming. Eggshells are not impervious barriers. They're covered in thousands of microscopic pores. Think of them as tiny open windows. When you store eggs next to strong-smelling items, odor molecules and bacteria-laden moisture can travel through these pores and contaminate the egg's interior. A study from the Journal of Food Protection found that eggs stored near raw seafood showed bacterial spikes within days. Margaret, 79, kept her eggs above chopped garlic and onions. Weeks later, a severe bout of food poisoning landed her in the ER, with doctors explaining that contaminated vapors had penetrated the shells. Beyond germs, this proximity degrades nutrients like lutein and vitamin A. The solution is simple. Always leave eggs in their original cardboard carton on a cold interior shelf, not in the door where temperatures fluctuate. Number 5 is the dangerous shortcut of zapping a hard-boiled egg in the microwave. You've done it, boiled a batch for the week and want a quick snack. But this habit turns a nutritious food into a weapon. When you microwave a whole boiled egg, the water inside turns to superheated steam. Because the egg creates a sealed structure, this pressure has nowhere to go. The moment you bite into it, it can explode with force. A study in the Journal of Food Science confirmed this risk. For seniors with thinner skin, burns can lead to severe infection. Frank, 75, thought a 20-second zap was harmless until the egg erupted in his mouth, sending him to the emergency room. The smarter approach. Place the peeled egg in a cup of hot tap water for a few minutes. Mistake number 4, rinsing fresh eggs before you put them in the fridge. It feels like the right thing to do, washing away potential residue. But this misguided hygiene invites contamination. An egg comes with its own invisible shield called the bloom that seals the pores and blocks bacteria. When you wash an egg, especially with water warmer than the egg, you create a vacuum that pulls moisture and bacteria through the pores. A pivotal study in poultry science found that washed eggs were 10 times more likely to harbor Salmonella. Eleanor, 73, was meticulous about rinsing her eggs until a severe Salmonella infection was traced back to them. The rule is absolute. Never wash eggs before storage. If you see dirt, wipe it with a dry cloth immediately before cooking. Our third mistake lurks in almost every kitchen: cooking eggs in scratched non-stick pans. When that slick surface gets nicked, it sheds toxic PFAS chemicals, forever chemicals that accumulate in your body, linked to liver issues, thyroid dysfunction, and immune suppression. A 2020 study revealed that a single scratched pan can release tens of thousands of microplastic particles into your food during cooking. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at filtering toxins. Overheating these pans can even release fumes causing Teflon flu. If your pan has scratches, replace it immediately with cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic. Mistake number 2 is the egg white only omelette. For years we were told the yolk was a cholesterol bomb to avoid. So millions of seniors toss the golden center away, thinking they're being heart smart. But by ditching the yolk, you discard nearly all of the egg's protective power. The yolk contains vitamin D for bone strength, choline for memory, and lutein for eyes, nutrients that shield against dementia and macular degeneration. Research in the Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors eating whole eggs had significantly higher levels of these critical nutrients. Choline deficiency links directly to brain fog. The cholesterol fear has been debunked, a 2018 American Heart Association review confirmed that one whole egg daily does not increase heart disease risk. The yolk isn't the enemy. It's the body's shield. Which leads us to the number 1 most dangerous mistake, being careless with cracked or expired shells. A small crack or expired date seems minor, but for seniors, it opens the door to catastrophic infection. The eggshell is the final fortress. The moment it's breached by a crack or its bloom degrades with time, bacteria like Salmonella have a direct highway inside. A CDC report estimates eggs cause tens of thousands of illnesses annually, with seniors comprising most severe cases. What starts as a stomach bug can escalate to septicemia, a life-threatening whole-body infection. A study in food control found bacterial levels in expired eggs skyrocket. The rule is ironclad: no cracks, no exceptions. Perform the water test: fresh eggs sink, old ones float. When in doubt, throw it out. 7 seemingly small mistakes with massive consequences. From runny yolks bypassing immune defenses to cracked eggs inviting life-threatening infection. Which surprised you most? Share in the comments your story might protect someone else. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone who eats eggs daily. Subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle for more urgent health truths. Guard your health fiercely. It's the foundation of your independence. Thanks for watching.